messy, happily, and family. Fun gardening.
Fresh mulch will protect this rose until the wintertime. And in the winter, you want to protect your rose in the wintertime. Hi everyone, it is raining again. In this video, that's if you watched my last video, subscribe. I still am working in the rain. This is encouragement. The red clay is best in regards to digging. It's best to dig in red clay in the rain. It's easier, and I'm going to move this shrub. It started off from a 1-gallon container. I'm going to move another azalea. This is Loropetalum. I call it Loropetalum. But you all enjoy this encouragement video. If you have help, don't be afraid to ask for help. These shrubs are heavy. Whew. That had to be about 40 pounds, probably 60. Have almost hollowed this out. Whew. Don't give up. Take breaks, but don't give up. Fall time behavior. Woo. I've been wanting to do that all summer. Here we have the roots, and there we have the roots. All right, everyone, I am creating a hedge. I'll show you once this is planted. So I'm going to move this here rose into this area because I want to be able to see my rose bush. Now this is a rose, so you want to add soil of your choice to work in there. I wouldn't plant in all clay. Now this already was mixed prior to transplanting, but it's good to add more soil. Fresh mulch will protect this rose until the wintertime. And in the winter, you want to protect your rose in the wintertime. Now, you may ask what's going there. If you can see how that rose now plays off those two purple colors, perfect location. I can now see my 3 roses. And in the center, I'm going for winter interest. So if you see, let's back out. You see one there, one there. And I'm going to add another evergreen here. So just wait for it. Want soil. And to mix it. 3 summer crush hydrangeas. Now each space is more defined. So I'll start over here. See how that one Loropetalum defines that space. Three spaces. I can see clear lines. I also moved my red bud back there, which when I get these trees cut up here, I plan to move both of these red buds down. But y'all look, take a look. Follow the path. I also planted this Japanese maple on the ground. Growing embers. Next, let's take a look at the Loropetalum. So I have one back there, one there, here, and when I shape these, they'll eventually connect in an oval going that way to define that space. But I'm in love with this right here. When my spirals are more defined, you'll be able to see a spiral and spiral. So beautiful. Without that red bud, just imagine that being gone. Okay, that's it, y'all, for today.